What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Santa's sleigh. Let's begin today's lesson on the bottom of the page with a curve. We're going to start from the left side. You want to bend this down and then curve that up toward the right. Now I want to draw the front of the sleigh. So from here, it's going to swirl this around. Going out, come in. I'm just going to swirl this around and then back in toward the center. Let's go all the way over to the left side and add a swirl going up. I'm going to go up higher, going up, swirl this around, and then in. Now we're going to draw the outside of the sleigh. From here, just going to follow that curve, going all the way around, up toward the top. Now I want to bring this down and then in underneath the swirl on the right. Down and in. I'm just going to pull that out and then up. And then we're going to add that trim across the bottom. Starting here, follow that curve, going across, toward the right, and then bend that up. Now just underneath the sleigh, we're going to draw a straight line from left to right, and across, and then on the right, we're going to bend this up towards the top. Let's round out the ends. Just point these in, and I'm just going to trace that line going all the way across, and then curve this up towards the top. Let's connect these two pieces. We're going to start with one line on the left, one on the right, add one more line on the outside. Now we're going to go back and fill the inside of the sleigh. Let's start with some gifts across the front. Start with a straight line going across, and then down, step down, draw another line, down toward the bottom. Let's add a couple ribbons, two lines coming down, and we'll add a bow across the top. Swirl this around and then down towards the middle of the ribbon. The same thing on the right. And then on the right side, we're going to add 3 curls. Let's add a candy cane on the back. We're going to go up, curl this around and down, around the cane, and trace this all the way back down on top. I'm going to add those stripes with a curve, starting from the bottom, and just working our way up. Let's add Santa's bag in between, starting in between the sled and the cane, going up, curl this around, and all the way down toward the bottom. From the top, let's add that rope. Go over to the left side, draw the top of the bag, just swirling this around. Now we're going to finish this off by adding a tree in the back, starting from the top, bend this down and out, go out and then down, around at the bottom, just add a wave going across towards the right. Let's add another layer, just going in behind, and then in, and add that wave. Let's continue all the way down towards the bottom, and over on the right side, and we'll add some ornaments inside the tree. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Santa's sleigh. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.